AK sir, your English language tutor. Wind. Atmospheric conditions characterized by strong gusts of air and significant air movement. Rain. Moisture falling from the atmosphere in the form of droplets essential for life and agriculture. Storm. A storm is a violent atmospheric disturbance characterized by strong winds, rain, and electrical activity. Snow. Solid precipitation in the form of ice crystals falling from the atmosphere and covering the ground. Rainbow. A colorful arc formed in the sky due to refraction and dispersion of sunlight. Hurricane. A powerful and destructive tropical cyclone characterized by strong winds and heavy rainfall. Tornado. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air, usually accompanied by a funnel-shaped cloud. Heat wave. Prolonged period of extremely hot weather, typically exceeding seasonal norms and causing discomfort and health risks. Fog. Thick atmospheric moisture reducing visibility near ground level, composed of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Lightning. A sudden discharge of atmospheric electricity, typically accompanied by a brilliant flash of light and loud thunder.